This oven is very straightforward to use. One dial is for the function that you'd like to use, and the other dial is for the temperature that you want it at. It tells you that it's preheating, that it's on. I've not had it long, but I'm really pleased with the way it's cooked our food so far. It's definitely an improvement on our old oven. So you can see that it's preheating, and when you're using any of these functions, you can turn the light on and off. Apart from the eco function, because that's automatically light off, obviously to save energy. This button is for the timer and the clock. So press it once and it's going to be a countdown, like a reminder for yourself. Press it again and it's going to change the clock for you. So this will be the hours, this will be the minutes, and then when you press it for one last time, there's your time. So it's really easy to set, very straightforward to use. I've not used it yet, but I'm really looking forward to using this diamond clean function here, which releases steam to loosen dirt. It says you need to put a little bit of drinking water into a tray and put it on the 3rd level and run the function for 35 minutes, and then your oven's really easy to clean.
So these are all the different settings that come with the oven. We've got convection, so a cooking of any kind of dish, and then convection bake is the one that we've used the most, so that's for cooking on a maximum of 2 shells at the same time. So for example, if you were doing some fries and maybe some chicken at the same time, this one is the best one. It's the one that we've used the most. Then you've got your grill, so that we've just cooked bacon on the grill at the moment, but it says it's for steaks, kebabs, sausages, vegetables and grilling meat. The interesting thing as well, it doesn't come with a grill tray, so it says position the tray on any of the levels below the wire shelf and add 200 millilitres of drinking water. So you would just put your shelf on top and then have the tray underneath to catch any fat that drips off or anything like that. There's also the turbo grill setting, that's used in the same way as the grill, but it's for a large joint of meat. There's the eco convection bake, and this is the only one that doesn't automatically cook with the light on. And this is for cooking roast, stuffed roasting joints on 1 shelf. So the convection bake is the best one if you want 2 shelves, but if it's just 1, you can use a number of settings. There's also a bread auto function and a pastry auto function, but if I'm honest, we probably won't ever use these settings. They're not something that would appeal to us, so we've not tried them. And then obviously the diamond clean that I mentioned earlier, which is the cleaning function. It tells you in the manual, if you're wanting to cook something specific, what program it should be on, so that's quite handy to know.
The only thing I would change about this oven is I'd really like another one of these, so another wire shelf and another tray, and also I would like a rack to go inside this grill pan. But I think you can order them online, so I'm going to try and do that later. Overall, I'm pleased with this oven. I think it looks good, it works well, it's definitely an improvement on my old oven, and I would recommend it to friends and family.